Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You are watching my YouTube channel Zaidi Educational TV, and today I will explain you the preposition, that how we practically use the prepositions. Here you are looking. So this is the spoon. Spoon is on the saucer. Glass is at the table. Water is inside the glass, and there is a water in the glass. There is a biscuit on the plate. It is the bottle of water. So this is the lid over the bottle. Here, this is the water inside the bottle. We say water in the bottle. This is the table. Pen is laid on the table, and this is the saucer or plate. I'm holding a plate in my hand. This is the purse. I'm putting my pen into the purse. I'm unzipping the bag. I'm opening the mouth of the bag, and I'm taking out the paper from the bag. I'm putting the paper at the table. This is the prepositions that we can easily use in our daily life.